All right, so go for it. Go for it.
I can go?
Yep.
All right, fantastic. Do you need to introduce myself or anything, or just talk
Go
about
ahead.
the
Go
product?
for it.
All right. Good afternoon. My name is Oliver Barr. This is the Franke Chef Center. This is our newest and latest addition to our Chef Center collection. This is a 45-inch sink, fits in a 48-inch cabinet. It is a multifunctional work center. It's exciting. You can use it for cooking and food preparation. You can use it for entertaining, and you can use it for cleaning as well. Here you've got a colander for food preparation. You need to wash anything. This is our cutting board where you can do additional food preparation or place hors d'oeuvres or garnishes for your entertainment. This is our roller mat, which stretches across. It can be used for washing vegetables and preparing food. And then this is a double layered grid. You can use it as a bottom grid. You can also use it on the integrated ledge up here to raise your work surface. On the right hand side, we've got two bins. This is a bin that you could use for removable, for easy cleaning, and has a drain on the bottom of it that drains right into your main plumbing line. There's another bin over here on the front side that you can use as a soap sponge storage bin, and that drains into this bin, which then drains into the main line as well. And last but not least, we also have a drainer board right here as well that can sit on the side, really making this a fully multifunctional